Hi, good day, my friend. I received the Amazon phone call in a few minutes, and they give me the phone number that are the key to finish my account, and then I'm going to continue the recording of that tutorial to make the free Amazon Association affiliation account. When they call you back, see, this is the place that your association central. This is the place where you're going to see your earnings. This is a brand new account. The total of clicks that you receive in the post that you are doing. You see, there is any earning because it's a new account that I made already. These are different posts that I have in my Pinterest from here. For example, you only have to pair here, and this post go into your Pinterest account. We want to save this toothbrush. I'm going to save it here. I want to check it. This is working, but you have to change the link. When you are here in the post, you only have to click the pencil icon, and you're going to change your affiliation link. Take some test. And you press it in here. And you save. What I'm going to say is saving my schedule from Tailwind. For the next week, for the next 3 days. Then you choose the board that you're going to save it. You choose the data. For example, Monday 19 at 8:55 p.m. You set the schedule. And that's it, it's at the schedule now. For today, I think that is that I was planning to show you. Let's see how to fix your Amazon account and how you can make some pins in your Pinterest account to generate some traffic. to your Amazon products. I only would like to invite to subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next video that I will make. Thank you. Bye bye.